Welcome to this Jet Worldwide presentation, Shipping to Canada from the European Union. This presentation explains the fundamentals of shipping from Europe to Canada. If you're involved or want to get involved with international shipping, you should become familiar with these basic concepts. To assist in navigating this video, each subject is presented section by section, from the data necessary for customs declarations, free trade, and non-resident imports, to best shipping modes and parcel carrier options. An accompanying PDF with additional information and the reference links is available on our website or in the description below. Let's get started. First up, HS codes. HS code, harmonized code, tariff classification, all the same thing. An essential tool for both export and import. For help with translating your product description to an HS code, visit our HS code blog, which includes an in-depth video presentation. Although both follow the World Customs Organization or WCO standards, HS classifications are unique to each country. Both the European Union and Canada have online resources to assist with HS codes. For assistance with finding a Canadian HS code, you can go directly to the Canadian Customs Tariff. Alternatively, a great resource to consider is the online tool from the Canada Export Development Corporation. These resources link directly from our website. Declared value. In the majority of cases, the correct value to declare at export and import is the transaction value. The transaction value is simply the price paid or payable for the goods. Canadian Customs, CBSA, considers the value for duty to be the cost of goods plus shipping and insurance, known as the CIF value. Best to specify these three costs on your invoice. If the transaction price is inclusive of shipping and insurance, you should include the term CIF value. In some cases, the transaction value may not be so obvious, such as when sending samples, warranty parts, or intercompany transfer of goods. For customs, everything has a value. For additional insights, visit our valuation blog. Country of origin. Just shipping from Europe to Canada is not the same as shipping European origin goods. European origin goods are those that meet the rules of origin defined within the Canadian-European Free Trade Agreement, CETA. All shipments from Europe are subject to standard import processing. The default most favored nation duty rate applies, unless the goods qualify as originating. There are restrictions on specific categories, including food, drugs, and alcohol. Resulting duty assessment. Import duty is determined by three main factors: tariff classification, or HS code, the country of origin, and value. The tariff classification and country of origin determine the percentage to apply to the value for duty. Note that all imports, even if imported duty-free, are subject to Canadian federal and provincial taxes. Visit our blog outlining common Canadian import fees. Export declaration from Europe. Export declarations are obligatory for goods exporting from European Union countries. Visit the European Commission's and local customs websites to review the export declaration requirements from Europe. In addition to the HS classification, the exporting company's EORI number is necessary to complete the submission. The Canadian-European Free Trade Agreement, CETA. The European-Canadian Free Trade Agreement, or CETA, has been in force for several years. The agreement facilitates all aspects of trade between Canada and Europe. The key advantage for merchandise or goods is that European origin goods can qualify for duty-free import, and vice versa. Be sure to include a certification of origin if you're requesting preferential duty-free import. Non-resident importer program to Canada. The NRI program allows European businesses to get a Canadian business number. This is a great way for overseas companies to import goods to Canada, essentially acting as your own distributor. The requirements include record keeping and posting of a surety bond. Note that the methods of valuation may differ for non-resident imports. Imagine sending your goods in bulk to Jet Worldwide via low-cost ocean or air freight, clearing the goods as a non-resident importer, and having your orders shipped on demand across Canada from Canada. And moreover, these same goods can ship from Canada to the USA direct via low-cost ground or air, taking advantage of the $800 duty-free threshold to the USA. That's the type of opportunity you have with Jet Worldwide. Shipping options from Europe to Canada and North America. Returns and reverse logistics. The international parcel shipping options from Europe include the obvious choices of name brand couriers: FedEx, UPS, DHL, and the local post. In general, local post options are best for individuals shipping personal packages. Contact our team for shipping commercial packages, e-commerce orders, and cargo to North America. The best way or mode of shipping depends primarily on the size and weight of your consignment. The necessary time frame is also a factor, but cost usually wins out over faster transit. Air cargo offers a lower price for smaller shipments. For shipping pallets, less than container load sea freight works great. These are some of the factors our team considers to find your best shipping option. Jet Worldwide provides Canadian logistics support. This can include receiving returns, forwarding across North America, and globally. If you ever ask a question, wouldn't it be great if we had a local partner in Canada and North America? Well, now you have the answer. Jet Worldwide. Consult with Jet's best-in-class logistics team for rates and global project support.